Yeah.
Hello, my name is Tommy Garnett and I am sending you warm greetings here from Bure Beach in West Africa. It's a great pleasure to welcome you to my talk, which will be titled Maintaining Mental, Physical and Spiritual Fitness in the Pursuit of Everyday Life through the practice of yoga. I have a background in agricultural economics and I started and have maintained an environmental organization here in Sierra Leone and West Africa for the last 25 years. I have a lot of experience to share with you about how to sustain your mental, your physical and your spiritual well-being using the practice of yoga whatever you do. I look forward